Apple means save.
Apple means save.
Banana means kela.
Banana means kela.
Mango means aam.
Mango means aam.
Grapes means angur.
Grapes means angur.
Papaya means papita.
Papaya means papita.
Jackfruit means kathal.
Jackfruit means kathal.
Lemon means nimbu.
Lemon means nimbu.
Coconut means nariyal.
Coconut means nariyal.
Jamun means jamun.
Jamun means jamun.
Fig means anjeer.
Fig means anjeer.
Orange means santra.
Orange means santra.
Custard apple means sitafal.
Custard apple means sitafal.
Pomegranate means anar.
Pomegranate means anar.
Strawberry means strawberry.
Strawberry means strawberry.
Watermelon means tarboos.
Watermelon means tarboos.
Pineapple means ananas.
Pineapple means ananas.
Lychee means lychee.
Lychee means lychee.
Kiwi means kiwi.
Kiwi means kiwi.
Muskmelon means kharbuza.
Muskmelon means kharbuza.
Dragon fruit means dragon fruit.
Dragon fruit means dragon fruit.